Did you know you can plant seeds in the garden almost every month of the year? My name's Nicole Burke and I'm the owner of Gardenary, where our mission is to make gardening ordinary for you. So if you like the idea of growing something fresh that you can pick almost every day of the year, you should subscribe to the Gardenary channel. Check out the link below and subscribe to be sure you get an alert every time we drop a new video to teach you how to make the most of your seasons, no matter where you're gardening. It's July, so it's pretty much time to stop planting in the garden, right? Wrong. There are so many things you can put in the garden this month, and I'm going to show you some of the seeds you can plant directly in the soil. You don't need to start them inside, have a big setup. You're just going to take the seed, put it directly in the soil, and watch the magic happen. If you're in a place where your first frost date is not going to happen for another 65 to 75 days, then all the seeds I'm about to show you will work in your garden this season, and they can be planted directly in the dirt, meaning so easy to get started. So first up, we have these fast-growing greens that do not mind the heat. So in July, you want to be thinking you want greens that don't mind higher temperatures. Most of our lettuce greens really prefer it to be cool like we have in spring and fall. But these greens, they can hang on in the heat. They'll grow really quickly and you'll get some harvest even before the temperatures start to drop when fall season comes around. Some of my favorite fast-growing greens are Mizuna and baby arugula, and this red lettuce. Red lettuces tend to hang on in the heat more than green lettuces. And then also this red streaks Mizuna. All these can be planted directly in the soil right now in the middle of July. You can obviously plant herb plants pretty much any time in the garden, but this video is all about planting seeds. And to do that, you want to have some fast-growing herb seeds, and basil fits the bill. This is a great time to stick some extra basil seeds in your kitchen garden. They're going to grow very quickly with the hotter temperatures, and you'll be getting basil harvests before September. One of the simplest plants to grow by seed directly in the garden starting now in July are beans. You can grow pole beans that are going to need to grow up on a trellis, or you can grow bush beans and just grow them outside the edge of your raised bed. Beans grow and finish within about 60 to 75 days, meaning if you plant them right now, you're going to get a harvest even if your frost is coming up in the next 2 to 3 months. Squash, zucchini, and cucumbers are great plants to put by seed into the garden in the month of July. These plants finish in 55 to 65 days. You'll get lots of fruit before the cooler weather arrives, and you're going to fill in those spaces in your garden right now in the middle of summer. And don't forget the flowers. There are so many flowers you can add by seed to the kitchen garden this month. You can grow these small sunflowers. You can grow some dwarf marigolds. You can grow any kind of zinnia, particularly small ones, and you can grow cosmos, and you can grow nasturtium. All of these can be planted directly by seed in the garden in the month of July. Look at all these seeds I have to plant. Now my biggest task is going to find a place to fit them in my garden. I hope this encourages you that the garden does not close in the month of July or August or September or October. We've got plenty more months to grow as long as you get the timing right. So grab some seeds just like these, head out to your garden and start planting this month. If you want to learn how to set up an entire kitchen garden the way I do, you got to find out about Kitchen Garden Academy. It's my online course that teaches you to go from dream to dream garden in less than 60 days. I show you how to design your raised beds, how to build them, how to put them in, fill them with soil, plant them up so that you get months and months of harvest no matter where you live. Find out more about Kitchen Garden Academy at kitchengardenacademy.com and see if we're open or if you need to get on the wait list to know when we do. As always, you can shop our trellises, our raised beds, and our favorite garden tools in the Gardenary shop at gardenary.com. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I hope that this encourages you to get out there and to plant some more plants this season.